So it's about 8 o'clock in the morning, 1st of January, 2021. And we started getting a little bit of rain yesterday, and then last night the bottom fell out of it for a little while. I don't know how much we got, and I didn't have my rain gauge out, but we've got more water in the pond than we've had since we've dug the pond. And I thought I'd walk down here and show you a little bit about it. We're going to hope it holds. Last time I had about 5 foot, and it only lasted about 10 days. But there's been holding in the lower parts of it. We've been getting a little bit of water, and it's been holding a little longer. Of course, we don't have the evaporation we normally have this time of year neither. But hopefully there's enough silt going in it, and it's starting to seal. That's what we're hoping. We'll see how long this lasts. We'll go down here and have a look at it. So here's another little project we got going on around here on the homestead. I've took the little backhoe on my tractor, and I've dug 2 rows about 2 foot deep, and I've hauled all the dirt off and the rock off, lots of rock. And a lot of leaves. I've put leaves back in there, and I've put a little bit of sandy dirt in there that I've got to get spread out. But we're going to have a couple more rows down here by the potatoes. We're going to fill that back up with some good dirt and compost and some wood chips. And I don't know what we're going to grow yet. Whatever we grow, we're going to have to start putting some kind of little fence around this, because the deer eat it up. We may plant a little bit of corn, who knows. So it's still cloudy. It looks like there's a little bit of debris that washed in on it last night. Them rocks running, that's about halfway the pond. It goes on up there, and you can see there's still water running in the horn up there out of the holler. And you can see the ducks have made their way down here. Cool, peaceful morning this morning. This is the water coming down out of the holler north of us. Still coming in. It will for a few hours. It'll drain down after a while. But still putting water in the pond. People have been asking about it. So I'm out here on this first day of the new year showing you a little bit of the pond. You can hear this water running. If you ever gets full and holds, it's gonna be a pretty down here. I can't wait till it starts holding, or if it don't, we'll do our best to make it hold as time goes on. I wish this water'd run in it for another day or two, but it won't unless we get some more rain. I don't think we're supposed to. It's about, I don't know, it's in its low 30s I heard this morning. We had a little bit of ice last night, I think, but the heavy rains kind of washed it away, washed it off the trees. So, good morning from Hillbilly in Arkansas. Update on the pond. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.